Hello dears, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will prepare a recipe for a facial mask that whitens the skin and also has an anti-aging effect. Dear friends, if you are interested in natural masks that can be prepared at home, subscribe to our channel. Today's recipe is a banana and dry yeast mask. To prepare this mask, first cut the banana into the required amount and mash it. Benefits of banana for skin. 1. Moisturizes and softens. The skin banana can provide natural moisture. The potassium in it prevents the skin from drying out. Protects and nourishes the skin. 2. Helps with wrinkles. Banana contains all kinds of vitamins A, B, C, which help increase elasticity. Correct the appearance of fine wrinkles. 3. Improves skin clarity and tone. Banana evens out the skin, changes dullness, and gives a natural tone to the face. 4. Exfoliates and restores the skin. Antioxidants protect the skin from harmful effects. Help skin renewal. 5. Suitable for sensitive skin since it is a banana product. Redness and irritation are less common. Suitable for most skin types. 6. Maintains oil balance. Banana does not overdry the skin and maintains its natural oil balance. Dear friends, write in the comments which country you are watching our channel from. It is very interesting to know. Add a little warm water to the dry yeast and mix well. For this recipe, we also need a few drops of lemon juice. This recipe also requires honey. This mask is whitening and whitening firming. More benefits of this mask: nourishes the skin, whitens, increases elasticity, anti-aging. Apply the mask to a cleansed face. Whitening and firming mask. Frequency of use: recommended to use 1-2 times a week. Depending on skin type, Dry and sensitive skin. 1 time per week, add a very small amount of lemon juice, or do not add it at all. Normal and combination skin. 2 times a week is possible. Very sensitive, allergic, or Couperose skin. Not recommended. Lemon and yeast can ferment. How long should you leave it on? 10-15 minutes is enough. More time can dry out the skin or cause redness. Important tip: test on the wrist for the first time. Apply moisturizer after the mask. Use SPF when going out in the sun. Lemon can cause pigmentation.